Second, another opportunity to grab yourselves a key. Heard that Vipers didn't get their key, so you can edge even further ahead right now, yeah?
Yeah.
Are we going to do this?
Yes!
Okay, Ella, you're going to be doing this one.
Yeah.
Inside there, the key is attached to a network of pipes. What you need to do is drag the key through the network of pipes, making your way past all the obstacles. But your challenge won't end until you bring the key out through here and out through there. Okay?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Are you going to do this?
Yes.
Look me in the eye and tell me you're going to do it.
I'm going to do it.
Okay, go in. Because your challenge starts now.
Find the key! Find the key!
Find the key!
Find the key!
It's at the end of the pipes. It's at the end of the pipes. And there you go.
There you go.
Okay, don't forget, time is of the essence here.
There you go.
All right, Ella, go for it.
1, 2, 3, making good time.
Well done.
There you go. All right,
Yeah, there we
let's
go.
go.
Lefty
The other
look,
one.
see? Yeah.
There you Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
More. Pick it up.
Well done. There we go. We've got some interesting surprises along the way. You're doing well, though.
Come on, Ella, quick! Come on, Ella, quick!
Brilliant. I hate that bit.
That's it, Ella.
This is really gooey and disgusting. But she's done it. Well done. Oh. You know what? She's staying calm though, isn't she? I mean, I like this. There you go.
How much time have I got?
Just keep going. Not much. Not much. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. Well done, dude.
Come on, Ella, quick! Come on!
As fast as you can, mate. It's going to be really close, this, I think. Go on, Ella.
Come on, Ella. Ella, come on, Ron, come on! One right.
Hurry up, dude. Hurry up.
Left.
Don't forget, you need to make your way out the door in order to release the key.
Quick, come on, Ella.
Well done, dude. Can you get it out in time? That is the question. Come on, Ella. Straight out the door. Straight out the door. Keep going, keep going. We've got to get it up there. Yes!
Yes!
What did we say we'll do? Ella, Ella, You've done it, you've got the key! Boom! Okay, let's look at the highlights of that challenge.
I did lose a bit of concentration to start with because I couldn't actually find the key, but then I managed to find it and I just got on with it. It was quite a tough challenge because there was lots of bolts and everything that needed unscrewing, but I managed to do it just in the nick of time and we got out and we won the key.